Hey friends, we are here to do mini madness. I'm so excited to get some more money stuffed into here because we have a long way to go. So today we're doing $70. This is the condensed version. This is what's actually going to go in the envelope. But as I play the games, I am going to use 5s and 1s. Just because that's how I like to do it and how I like to keep track. Instead of using a calculator, I just find it easier to use the small bills. Okay, so this money is just coming from a buffer in my bank account. You guys know I do this all the time. I keep a very small buffer in my bank account. I let it build up a little bit, and then every once in a while I stuff it somewhere. Lately, that has been mini madness, so that's what we're doing today. This book, Let's Rent a Movie, this is available in my Etsy shop. Today is the last day of March. Wow. I do have a sale going on right now. I don't know when it ends off the top of my head. I want to say I did it all throughout the month of April as well, but I'm not positive on that. Today is also the last day to get a lucky lotto ticket. I don't have one handy. If you place an order with a subtotal of $40 or more, meaning $40 after discounts, I throw in a lucky lotto ticket, and then you can have a chance to win an extra little discount for your next order. So if you place an order, again, with a subtotal of $40 or more, I just throw that in. There's no code needed or anything like that, but today is the last day for that. So if you're interested in, grabbing one of those, place your order today. And again, there also is a sale, which you can use as well. So let's get going. So this book has 8 challenges. Now, even though there are only 8, some of the challenges are really large. And so, it's taking me a little bit to get through this book, which is completely fine. It does have a little story on every page, which if you're unfamiliar with the book, the story is probably gonna not really make sense because I will be kind of telling it out of order, since I don't do the challenges in order. But yeah, what I do is I roll, what's this, a 12? Actually, this is like a 20-sided die. Don't I have like a 12-sided die? I must. Let me see if I could find it real quick, because I don't know why this huge one is in here. Here we go. 12-sided. So I roll a 12-sided die. And again, because there are only 8 challenges, anything I roll over an 8, I will either roll again or I'll just choose a challenge to do. What I want to do though first is I want to cheat a little bit, and I want to start here on this page because this is probably the biggest page. And there are some high numbers. So right off the bat, I think I'm going to do a 15, which is the highest on this page, just to get one out of the way. Because again, these numbers are huge. So the R-rated movies are 15. So I'm just going to go ahead and cross one of those out. 5, 10, and 15. And let me know what you guys are up to. It's Monday. Happy Monday. Hope you're having a great start to your week. Let's roll now and see what challenge we'll be doing next. You guys, my obsession with Wicked is continuing. So challenge 9. Okay, let me just roll again. I listen to the soundtrack multiple times a day. I have watched the movie almost every single day since that first day that I saw it. I am so in love with it. And none of you guys commented and said you loved it. So I'm asking again, if there's anybody out there watching this who loves Wicked, let me know, because it's just so good. So good. Okay, $5 here on this page. This one's only $33. This is when we're at the store grabbing some snacks to watch our movie at home. And let's take the 5. And let's roll again. Okay, challenge number 3. So for this one, we're cleaning our room. Let's see. I think I'm going to go all low here just because I want to get this book done. So if the item is clean, it's on your floor in your messy room, but if it's clean, you're going to hang it back up in your closet. Draw a line to the hanger there, and then you save $5. If it's dirty, you save $8. And what that means is basically you just decide, whether you want to save $5 or $8 per item. It's up to you depending on your budget and how much you want to save. So we're going with 5 today. Okay, number 9, again, I choose, let's go here since we have only done one of these roll and saves. So let's see, of course we got a 5, no surprises there. Let's put another 5 in and we're running low on 5s already, you guys. Okay, number 9, again, what is wrong with this dice? Number 10. That is a choose. Again, let's just keep rolling. Let's see. Okay, 4. So number 4, we're on our way to the video store to pick out a movie. Our next number here is $1. We like that. And this one you can play as a board game. I'm just doing every amount. Okay, number 2. Again, let's knock out this 7 because that's a big one. So 5, 6, and 7. I'm very excited to see how much money we're going to have in this when we're finished. So challenge number 7. Okay, this is a roll and like a race. So we roll the number, cross it out, save the amount, and then whichever number we roll 4 times first, that is our like best actor or actress. So we got a 3. Ooh, 3 is in the lead. That's Jodie Foster. Remember, these are 90s stars. 1, 2, and 3. And Jodie might be our winner. We have not gotten a 1, 2, 5, or 6 on this page at all. Weird. Okay, number 9 again. Why do I keep rolling 9? Let's go on this page because we barely have any done. Ooh, $1. Love that. All right, let's go again. How is the weather by you? It is so warm. I took the kids to school today in a t-shirt. I didn't even need a jacket. It was amazing. Let's go right here. $3. So yeah, let me know how the weather is by you. I don't know if it's going to be warm all week, but it is glorious and I am here for it. Absolutely 100%. All right, let's put $3 in. 1, 2, and 3. And let's see, I'm actually going to grab 2 from here, take these 1s back, and take another 5, just condensing as I go. Let's roll again. Number 3. This way of saving is just a fun way for me to kind of get a little bit of extra money in some things. And again, I only stuff this challenge book when I have some extra money to set aside to save. And it's just a fun way of, of saving rather than doing my regular challenges that I always do. I love doing this kind of like extra savings book. Okay, let's knock out the 12 because it has to be done, and ouch, it's a big one, but I do have the money as I just get marker all over myself. 5, 10, 11, 12. So even though this is going to be like a short mini madness, I feel like I did knock out with some really big numbers. Okay, number 4. This is our drive to the video store again. The next one says $1 plus roll again. Once again, I am not rolling. I am just saving every amount, so I'm just going to save the $1. I'm going to go again. Number 10 is you choose. I think we should knock out one of these. Now, here is the thing. So PG rated movies are 5, PG-13 are 10. There's a scratch off here. The scratch offs are multipliers, you guys. That is, that's spicy. Let's see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, you guys, I think I'm making the executive decision. $10. We're going to do one PG-13 rated movie. Notice I'm not doing the one with the scratch off. And then we have 3 left. And the next number on our little street board game here is a 3, luckily. So boom. That's what I'm going to do so that I don't have an IOU. And we are already finished. That went by super duper quick. It's very easy to spend $70. Okay, so what we're going to do now put this away, is we are going to put the money in and count it up and see what we're at so far for Let's Rent a Movie. And then I'll let you guys go. Pretty short and sweet mini madness today. Okay, so we have 50, 1, 50, 70, 90, 210, 220. $220 so far in mini madness. It's 284 plus, so we still have quite a ways to go. We probably have a good $100 or more still to put in here. So as soon as I get some more money that I can put here in this book, we're gonna do it. All right, my friends, that is it. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Watch until the end of the video. I'm so thankful that you watched till the end. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.